Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna make the Clevis pins. Alright, that's pretty easy. We select the front plane and we select sketch. After which we need to draw their outline. Something like that. Now let's set the dimensions. 2.5 millimeters. This one will be 25 millimeters. This one will be 3 millimeters. This is also will be 3 millimeters. Great. Now let's click OK and revolve this sketch around the y-axis. Here we go. Now we click OK and we again create the sketch in the front plane. Now we will draw a little hole that will be 3 millimeters. Great. Now we will select its distance from the origin to be about 5 millimeters, and we will click OK. Now we will go ahead and remove this from the spin. Click OK. Remove in the other direction. Click OK. And we will need to make it longer at 5 inches. No, symmetric. Great. Right, it was because the plane was inside of it and we were only removing it in a one direction. Now we will use some fillet to round up this edge right here. At 1 millimeter. We'll click OK and we will do this as well for the top part and the bottom part. Great. Here we will use the chamfer great. And here you go, we had created the Clevis pin. Now let's change its color to aluminum. Great. Thank you and have a great day.